Now we are discussing about health services. In that today we are discussing about cold remedy, cold remedies. Stay hydrated. Cold remedies that work. Stay hydrated. Water, juice, clear broth or warm lemon water with honey helps loosen congestion and prevents dehydration. Rest your body needs to heal. Smooth, soothe a sore throat. A combat stiffness, relieve pain. Sip warm liquids. Add moisture to the air. Try over the counter cold and cough medications. How get rid of cold fast? Lots of liquids. Drinking plenty of fluids is always good when you are trying to get rid of cold. Hot tea, water, chicken soup, and other liquids will keep you hydrated, especially if you have a fever. They can also loosen congestion in your chest and nasal passages so you can breathe. What should I eat with a cold? The 15 best foods to eat when you are sick. Chicken soup. Chicken soup has been recommended as a remedy for the common cold for hundreds of years. And for good reason. Broths. Similar to chicken soup, broths are excellent sources of hydroxin, hydration while you are sick. Garlic, coconut water, hot tea, honey, ginger, spicy foods. Next point is home remedies. Cold remedies that work. Stay hydrated. Water, juice, clear broth, or warm lemon water with both honey helps loosen congestion and prevents dehydration. Rest your body needs to heal. Soothe a sore throat. Combat stiffness. Relieve pain. Sip warm liquids and moisture to the air. Try over the counter cold and cough medications. How to get rid of cold fast? Lots of liquids. Drinking plenty of fluids is always good when you are trying to get rid of cold. Hot tea, water, chicken soup, and other liquids will keep you hydrated, especially if you have a fever. They can also loosen congestion in your chest and nasal passages so you can breathe. How long? Next point is how long does a cold last for? Cold symptoms typically last about 3 days. At that point, the worst is over, but you may feel congested for a week or more. Except in newborns, colds themselves are not dangerous. They usually go away in 4 to 10 days without any special medicine. What is the best treatment? Next point is what is the best treatment for common cold? Treating your cold. Treating your symptoms will not make you cold, make your will not make your cold go away, but will help you feel better. Next point is how long does a cold last for? Cold symptoms typically last about 3 days. At that point, the worst is over, but you may feel congested for a week or more. Except in newborns, Cold themselves are not dangerous. They usually go away in 4 to 10 days without any special medicine. Next point is, what is the best treatment for the common cold? Treating your cold. Treating your symptoms will not make your cold go away, but will help you feel better. Antibiotics are almost never needed to treat a common cold. Acetaminophen, Tylenol, and ibuprofen, Advil, Motrin help lower fever and relieve muscle aches. Next point is, what are the stages of cold? Stage 1, onset, it is roughly 1 to 3 days since you came into contact with a cold virus and your body is starting to show mild symptoms like mild fatigue, runny or stuffy nose, and a sore throat. Stage 2 is progression, then peak, then remission, then recovery. Next point is, how do you sleep with a cold? 5 smart tips for sleeping better with a cold or the flu. Rethink your regular sleep position. Many people prefer to stack on an extra pillow when you are unable to sleep with a cold or flu. Maintain a consistent room temperature. Don't drink alcohol. Stick to your nightly routine. Soothe yourself with a warm drink before bed. Next point is, how can I unblock my nose? Here are 8 things you can do now to feel the breathe better. Use a humidifier. Take a shower. Stay hydrated. Use a saline spray. Drain your sinuses. Use a warm compress. Try decognizants. Decognizants. Take anti antihistamines or allergy medicines. The 15 best foods to eat when you are sick: chicken soup, garlic, coconut water, hot tea, honey, ginger, and spicy foods. Next point is, what should not eat during cold. Many people believe that milk and dairy products increase congestion and should be avoided when you have a cold or flu. However, this is not the case. There is no need to stop eating or drinking dairy. Caffeinated drinks should be avoided as they are dehydrating. They include coffee, cola drinks, energy drinks. Ingredients to make: 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon organic honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And next is instructions. Combine all ingredients that put in warm water, stir, and then drink up to once a day. Drink once a day as needed. It is worth every bitter sweet drop. It helps with a cold, sinus infection, and sore throat. If you plan on drinking this often, be sure to rinse your mouth and with water after to save the channel on your teeth. This mixture is very acidic. This is the information regarding cold remedy. So these are the remedies for cold. It will be reduced very well in a correct plan and diet. Wishing you all the best.